Welcome to Biochemistry 443. This year is going to be a little unusual. So normally we have a lecture section and then we have separate tutorials that go along with it. Well, this year, as you know, COVID-19 has made it challenging to have very large classes. So we've taken the opportunity to change the way that we're going to teach this course. So a few things about content. One is that there are two major sections in the course. There's a section taught by me, Dr. Lewis, by the way, Dr. Ian Lewis, and there's another section that's taught by Dr. Vanina Zuremberg. So I'm going to cover about 10 weeks out of the 14-week material, and for my section, all of it is going to be asynchronous. So we'll have it divided up into three sections. So we'll be presenting a series of videos like this one here that'll introduce you to new topics, take you through what we're going to be doing, and let you know about the upcoming quizzes and homeworks that are coming up that week. Then there's going to be a separate parallel set of tutorials that are going to be run by your TAs. Your TAs are going to be your guide to learning about the practical things of how to do biochemistry in the real world. So this has been a really fun new addition because of the COVID-19 restrictions, we can't get people together. We've actually taken the opportunity to bring you into a real-world research laboratory, and so you're going to be conducting a series of experiments via video with RTAs who are each experts in the various areas they're going to be teaching you. You're going to learn about how you take biochemistry techniques and translate those into real-world tools to fight diseases and to understand the mechanistic underpinnings of what makes life. So this course is going to be broken down into a few separate sections. As I mentioned, we have our lectures, which are going to be delivered electronically. You'll have your tutorials, which will be guided through with your TAs. And then the last section is we'll have live streams that go on. Now, you're not required to attend these live streams, but these are opportunities that we're going to be running. And these will be scheduled either during your normally scheduled tutorial time or during your regular class time, where we're going to work through problems. You're meant to come with your own questions, and we'll be able to help you through that. Now, we will post these back up as videos later, so for those of you who don't have time or don't want to come to those live sessions, that's all right. We'll post the videos so everybody has equal access to them. So how the assessment works, we're also changing that this year to accommodate their off-campus learning model. So one is that we're going to be doing a lot more emphasis on weekly assessment rather than having exams. So the big news is there's no final exam and no midterm for this course. Instead, we're going to be having weekly quizzes. For my section, there'll be 8 weekly quizzes, each worth 2%. Then we're going to have 3 homework assignments. Each of those are going to be worth 6%. And we'll have tutorial reports. That'll be part of your assessment. There'll be 4 of those, and those you'll be learning from your TAs about how those marks are distributed. And then there's going to be a final project that we're going to be working on together, and that's where you're going to choose a metabolic disease of your interest, and we'll give you some options, and then you're going to research it, learn about it, and then present your material about that disease.